So you want to know how to create a bridge page in Clickfunnels? Well then this video is for you. Hello my friend, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I bring you the tools, the courses and the mindset that you need to make a success online. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, please make sure you do so and hit the notification bell. That way you will get notified every time I publish a video. Oh wow! In this video, I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you how to create a bridge page using Clickfunnels. Make sure you stick to the end of the video because after the tutorial, after the technical bit, I'm going to come back to the big screen and just share with you why it's really important to build a bridge page, especially for success with affiliate marketing. Now I'll stop talking. Let's go. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to build a very basic page like this one, right? This is something I built to promote this page as a bridge page to this offer, okay? This is a product that I promote, but it doesn't come with a bridge page. So if I share my affiliate link, people click on the link, they land straight on here, and if they don't buy straight away, I lose the lead, right? So I built this so that people when they click my link, they land here, and to get to this page, they need to give me their email address, right? And when they click here, they're now going to land in here, okay? So I'll have their email address and they will get to see what the product is about. Does that make sense? Okay, so this is quite easy. However, you do need to follow all the steps. So pay attention, because if you miss some things, it won't be right, okay? So I'm going to show you. So obviously you need to go to Clickfunnels. If you don't have Clickfunnels, there is a link to Clickfunnels in the description. You can get a free 14-day trial and play around with it, okay? So once you've signed up to Clickfunnels, go to your Clickfunnels account, and the easiest way really is to go here, click build a funnel. And there are quite a few ways that you can do that. You can, select different templates, do some things way more sophisticated than the one I did, but I'm going to keep it really, really simple, and you can play around with it. So what I would do, in my opinion, really simple way is you go here, you do create a custom funnel. Tap here, and then I'm going to give this funnel as a demo bridge page. It's going to be, and then you tap here, build funnel. Okay, so this is what it looks like, okay? There's all sorts of templates, right? I will just choose a very basic one. The one I chose for this was this one. You can preview every page, right? If you click on preview. But let's just go with that. I'll select the template, and when it's loaded, you can just simply click here, edit page. It's very, very straightforward, right? Then what you do here is you edit it, okay? So I obviously, try to keep it a bit congruent. The important thing is that your squeeze page, well, your bridge page really, is kind of a little bit similar in the wording as the sales page, right? You don't want something completely wildly different, okay? So in this case, the sales page is not brilliant. So I've just tried to model it and keep a kind of similar language, because I don't want them to have a massive difference between my page and then the sales page, right? So basically, I just kept it incredibly simple, okay? So you basically edit this very simply. You hover on there, you tap here, and you just type anything you want, right? And then once you're in there, as you can see, you've got this sort of blue thing here. You can tap this little wheel and, edit the font. If you want a different font, edit the size, you know, here. You can really play around with this. I won't, you know, show you how to, because that's kind of really the easy bit, right? Once you've got this right, you know, have a look here, the copyright, put your company name, your name, whatever. You know, make sure all this is okay. So aside from the editing, the really important things, I really want you to pay attention. This is really important, okay? You need to do a few things so that when people put their email address and click here, so that you get the email address, right? And so that they are then taken to the next page, right? To your, you know, whatever product you're promoting, right? So what you need to do is first tap on this button, right? Click here, set action, and make sure that it's this, right? Submit order, submit form. That's the first thing you need to do, okay? Make sure it's on that setting, right? Then you need to go here on settings, and you need to click here, integrations. Now, I'm assuming that you have an autoresponder and that you have set up a list for this product that you are promoting, okay? Yeah, that you have a list set up. If you don't know how to set up your autoresponder, how to create lists, then let me know in the comments below and I'll make another tutorial about that, right? But assuming that you have an autoresponder, that you've connected it to Clickfunnels, this is what you need to do. So you need to go here, select integration. Sorry, I'm going to just move my my picture. So you need to go here, select integration. You need to select your autoresponder. In my case, it's Clickfunnels, right? It's GetResponse, sorry. Then you need to click here, add to campaign, right? And then you need to select a list. So in my example, it's going to be I created a list, my lead gen secret opt-ins, okay? So that means that whenever they put their email address here and they click here, I will get these people's email address in my autoresponder, right? I can then set up, of course, an email sequence that goes out automatically, right? Or I can manually send them emails from my autoresponder. That's the really, really important. But the next thing you need to do that's equally important is to go back to settings and go to general, and I'll move my picture again. And here you've got to put the affiliate link, the page where you want to them to be going to. So in my case, it's this, right? As you can see, this is the name of the page, right? myleadandsecret.com. This is their sales page. It's also got my affiliate ID, so that if people buy, I will get a commission on the sale. So you copy this. Okay, so you paste this here and that's it, okay? So that means, as I said, I'll repeat it again, that means that when they enter the email address, they click here, they will on one hand land in your autoresponder, so you can communicate with them if they don't buy straight away, right? And you know, you building your email list, very, very important if you want to be successful in affiliate marketing, always build your list. And on the other hand, they will be brought to the product that you are promoting, okay? Whatever it is that you're promoting, okay? Once you're happy with this, what you need to do is obviously save this, right? And once it's saved, you can go back. I very strongly suggest that you test it, okay? Definitely make sure that you test it. The way you do that is you copy this, this link. This is the link you get to share, right? For people to opt in. So copy this, paste it here, and then try it out. Okay, fill it in, put your name, put your email address, click and see that everything works. Check your autoresponder, that you've landed in your own autoresponder, and check that that it works, that it takes you to the sales page, right? Once you're happy with that, you can obviously buy a custom domain name for this. You can do that, or you can simply copy the link and go to this place bit.ly, right, and create a shortened link, right? You just click here, create, you paste the URL, and you will get a shorter link that looks kind of nicer. Okay, I do suggest you do that, because if you share this link, kind of, yeah, it doesn't look brilliant, so always shorten your links. There's other link shorteners. I personally use bit.ly, but there's other ones. Or again, in Clickfunnels, you can buy a custom domain name. It's cheap, it's easy, it works very well. Okay, so you can do that as well, and that's it. That's how it's done.
So that was easy, wasn't it? I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give the video a like and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Now, as I mentioned briefly in the video, right, a bridge page is incredibly important if you are working in affiliate marketing, right? The reason it's important is, first, it allows you to get people's email addresses, right? Most people, as I always say, do not buy straight away. So if they give you their email address, you can then make sure that you are in contact with them regularly. This is going to build the relationship that you have with them. They're going to get to know you, to trust you, to know how you can help them and what it is that you do. So it's incredibly important. And, when you are building, when you have an email list that is growing, then that is really the essence of your business, right? These are your customers. Some of them are going to follow you for years if you do your job properly. So it's really important to get people's email addresses. Also, a bridge page, really, it's a bridge, right? It's a bridge between you and the creator of the product. When you are in affiliate marketing, you are promoting other people's products. So you are not the creator of the product. You're not going to be on the video sales letter. You're not going to be the one talking to people and trying to sell them the product. But at the same time, people are clicking on your link, right? If you are watching one of my YouTube videos and there is an affiliate link, you have seen me speak on video. You thought, I'm going to check what she has to offer, right? I'll click on her link. And then if you click on my link and the first thing you see is some random person you've never heard of, it's going to be a little bit weird, right? So the bridge page, if on the other hand you click on one of my links and you see me, a picture of me, or there's me talking on a video, or there's my words, right? I've written something, then, and I'm going to tell you in that bridge page what you are going to expect, what to expect next, right? I'll tell you, well, put your email there, and then you will be able to see my mentor's presentation, for instance. That will be more logical for you, right? So that's also why a bridge page is really important. It kind of makes sure that it takes your customer and puts him or her in contact with the creator of the product, right? So that's why it's so important really to have a bridge page. Don't forget, in the bridge page, sell the result to people, right? To get people to give you their email address, to click, to commit to give you the email address and then press that submit now, right? What you need to do is sell people the result that they want, right? Tell them, create a little bit of curiosity. Tell them not about how wonderful the product is, but what amazing thing the product is going to help people achieve, right? I hope this makes sense. Once again, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have anything else you want to know about, any other tutorials around of things you don't know how to do in Clickfunnels, then please make sure you post your question in the comment below. If you don't have a Clickfunnels account yet, there is a link below this video that will lead you straight to Clickfunnels so you can sign up and have a 14-day free trial. And if you have any questions during that 14-day free trial or after that, just make sure you email me and I will be very, very happy to help you out. That's it for now. Bye for now.